Hi, folks. So we made it to topic 3. There are 4 topics in total for AP Stats, and we're halfway through that. Topic 3 is going to be chapters 5, 6, and 7. It's all about probability, so a little bit more number crunching than we saw back in chapter 4 with sampling and data and making experiments and designing things. You might find that you have a few more questions if when we hit some of the more higher level computations. They're not that bad, but I definitely have found that students in the past have had questions and want to better understand these concepts, absolutely come and track me down. That's what I'm here for. I want to help you better understand and be successful in this probability unit. This also does tend to be a section, again, where some of the topics, not all of these from these 3 chapters, where students are saying, you know what, that's what I feel a little less confident about. So definitely let's help you feel better about it so you can be successful. I do want to talk about the schedule for this week. If you take a look at it, we have a week and 2 days left. Of these week and 2 days, I'm not going to be available for 3 of them. So on Monday the 13th, I'm not going to be in the building, so please do plan ahead. If you are on pace, it looks like you would be scheduled to take the multiple choice test. I'm not going to be here to be able to proctor that. It is going to be a paper-based test again, where I will give you the 2 choices like we did for partial credit. So I do apologize if you planned on taking that Monday. Just please plan on taking that on Tuesday if you are on pace for that. Now, the deadline for Chapter 5 is going to be Friday the 17th at 3 p.m. So again, plan accordingly. This test, what I can tell you is the multiple choice is 10 questions. There's no previous chapter questions on this one. The free response is 3 questions. Again, no previous chapters. So we're just going to solely be on Chapter 5. I have found that I know you could do both of these in one block time. That's not going to be a problem. So if you want to take your tests on Wednesday and Thursday, you could do them back to back. If you want to wait till Friday and do them on the traditional day, I'm not sure if you're going to have exactly enough time. You're probably going to want maybe 10 more minutes beyond that is my guess. So plan accordingly if you are picking just one single traditional hour, or do pace them out. Maybe you come in for win time or something like that. So that would wrap up Chapter 5. Now, the next 2 days I'm not going to be here are the 20th and the 21st. I don't think that's going to be an issue. If you had questions for me, you probably aren't going to have too much quite yet when we hit these topics. But do please plan ahead that, again, I won't be here on the Monday, the 20th, and the 21st. So really the big deadline before break is the Chapter 5 and getting that in. The other thing I want you to take a look at is when we get back from break, we have 3 weeks of school left before the end of the semester and the quarter. And we're going to actually be getting a lot done in those 3 weeks. There's going to be a Chapter 6 testing deadline coming up. And then we're actually going to learn Chapter 7 and have a test on that too. So we do have 2 chapter tests yet that are going to be in second quarter as part of your first semester grade. So Chapter 4 is in there. We have 5, 6, and 7. Lots of summative points coming in yet. On the pacing wise, by the way, Chapter 7 is not going to be a retakeable test because it's going to be down to the wire taking that one. The last 2 tests that are potentially retakeable for you would be Chapter 5 and or Chapter 6. Again, if you have time to do that, because it's going to be busy with end of the quarter. So really think about that, plan it. Again, use the resources, which are me, to help you out better, learn the material. And really overall, just have a great relaxing break. We've earned it. We deserve it. Have a great time. And I will see you all when you get back from break. Bye-bye.